Right now we talked about personal growth. So let's talk about a few more special things which are required for personal growth. And for personal growth, one major thing is required. So that is skill. What is required?
Skill.
Yes, skill is required. And if you learn or if you start learning anything new, you might face challenge also. And after that challenge and continuous hard work, you are able to achieve it. So there are three major words. First is skill. Can anybody please share the meaning of skill?
Ma'am, skill means like I know the digital, I know how to process with computer, then it means it is my skill.
So how to process with computer? It is your digital skills. So can you please read the meaning of skill from here?
Yes, ma'am. Ability to do something.
Yes. So skill means if anybody has ability to do something, that is skill. Now what is the meaning of challenge? Yes, Alkama, would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, just like I am trying to ride scooty, but I am unable to do it. So it means I am facing challenges.
Yes, so you are facing challenge for while riding scooty. It's okay. So can you please read the meaning from here?
Something new or different for which you make lot of effort.
Yes, thank you so much for reading it. Something new or difficult for which you make a lot of effort. As Bushra shared with an example that she is trying to ride the scooty but she is unable. That is why there is something difficult for it. And that is known as challenge. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the meaning of achievement? Alkama, please share.
Ma'am, if I will get 95% in my exam, so it is my achievement.
So you shared with an example that if you get 95% in your examination, it is an achievement for you. So achievement can be kind of different things for everybody. For everyone, it is not the same. It will not be the same for me that if I achieve 95% in my exams, so it is the biggest achievement for me. Can anyone please read the meaning of achievement? Shivani, would you like to read it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the meaning of achievement is something that you have done successfully.
Yes. So something that you have done successfully. So is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who can share the meaning of all three words in their own language? Vandana, would you like to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, skill means what I have, like you have written ability to do something, and the meaning of challenge, something new or difficult for which you make a lot of effort, that I have already shared. And achievement means something that you have done successfully.
Okay. Thank you so much. Can you please clap for her? Good job. Fine. Let's move ahead. So try to practice the pronunciation of this word. So once I repeat one word and you are going to repeat after me. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are you going to do?
Ma'am, we are going to repeat the pronunciation.
Okay. So I am speaking the words and you are going to repeat it. Skill.
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 Challenge.
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 Achievement.
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 Good job, everyone. So let's move ahead. So for learning everything or for talking about growth and development, somewhere we need to assess our growth. And for that, I have a few questions for you all. Can somebody please read the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Can you talk about something you have gotten better at in English digital since you started learning at FE?
Yes. So in first question, we are talking about that did we updated something in ourselves or did we learn something related to English or digital skills? So you are going to write if you have improved in digital or English in your notebooks. And what is the second question, dear?
What's one problem you face when you speaking English with others?
Yes. So if we talk about English speaking, somewhere we struggle in speaking it in front of others. So what specific challenge do you face while speaking English with others? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead towards the third question. Can you please read third question?
What's one thing you are proud of achieving at FE?
Yes. So what is one thing which you are proud of achieving at FEA? Because at every step you are achieving something new. Either you are able to learn, or you are able to speak on the stage, or you are confident enough. So every next day you are learning and achieving something for your growth. So you are going to write it. Are the three questions clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to write the answers of all three questions in our notebooks. What are we going to write? Yes, Ruma?
We are going to write the answer of these three questions in our notebook.
Yes. So you have 10 minutes for writing it. How much time do you have?
We have 10 minutes for this.
Okay, please write. I hope that you all have written the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful job. So let's move ahead. You are going to share the answers with your partners now. What are you going to do?
We are going to share the answers with our partners.
Okay, so let me form the pairs. First of all, can you please say 1,
1,
2,
2.
You both are pairs? Yes. So for sharing the answers, you have 5 minutes. How much time do you have?
We have 5 minutes.
And what are you going to share with your partners?
We are going to share our answers.
Okay, great. Please share. Time is up, everyone. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you shared your answers with your partners?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead. Now you are going to share your answers in a group. What are you going to do?
We are going to share our answers with a group.
Okay, let me form the groups and then you can share your responses. Try to listen to your group's answer as well. Can you please say 1,
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5.
Group 1,
2, 3, 4.
Group 2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Group 3. So how much time do you want? Are 10 minutes enough for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am giving you 10 minutes for the discussion. Please try to listen to the responses which your group members are sharing. Is it done, everyone?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you shared your responses with your group members?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I also want to listen to your answers and rest of the class also wants it to listen. So for that, you are going to come here on stage and then you will share your answers with everybody. What are you going to do?
Ma'am, we have to come there on the stage and share the answer.
Okay, wonderful. So who would like to come first? Fine. So Shivani is raising her hand. Shivani, please come and share the responses. Can you please clap for her? Yes, please.
So the first question's answer is I have become more proficient in using digital tools for communication, enhancing my ability to express ideas clearly and effectively in English.
That's wonderful. So you are able to assess your growth also. That's great. What about next question? Did you face any challenge or problem?
Yes, ma'am. One challenge I encounter is occasionally struggling with fluency, leading to pauses while searching for the right words during conversations.
Okay, so you are somewhere struggling with the words. You are unable to find proper words for speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and for that you can try to learn some new words where you are struggling. You can search it and then you can learn those words by understanding their meaning.
And the last question, what's one thing you are proud of achieving at FEA? I have spent more than 100 days. When I came here, I was not able to speak a single word in English. Now I can share my answers in English, and I have worked on my grammar. As you mentioned that I am my grammar is not good. Now I have improved a lot. So this is my achievement, I can say.
Okay, that's really amazing that you are able to find the achievements as well. Can you please clap for Shivani? Amazing job. Yes, let's move ahead.